फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप यू ऑल गुड। सो आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एंड अमेजिंग सा फैक्ट। देख दोस्तों, जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि हम अपनी जिंदगी में बहुत ज्यादा बिजी होते हैं। रोज हर किसी इंसान को डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ वर्क्स परफॉर्म करने होते हैं। अगर कोई स्टूडेंट है तो उसे कॉलेज जाना होता है, लेक्चर्स अटेंड करने होते हैं, स्टडीज करनी होती है, बहुत ज्यादा थकान हो जाती है। अगर कोई वर्किंग वुमेन है तो उसे ऑफिस के साथ साथ अपना घर भी मैनेज करना होता है। मेंबर है जैसे कि कोई वर्किंग मेल है तो उसे ऑफिस भी मैनेज करना है, अपने पेरेंट्स की भी टेक केयर करनी है और अपने चिल्ड्रंस की भी डिमांड्स को फुलफिल करना होता है। तो मैं ऑन एंड ऑन एवरेज की बात करूं तो देखा जाए तो हर कोई व्यक्ति सुबह से लेकर शाम तक, यानी अपने जितने भी वर्किंग आवर्स होते हैं उनमें वो इतना टायर्ड हो जाते हैं, इतना थक जाते हैं कि कभी उनकी अपनी हेल्थ की तरफ उनका ध्यान नहीं जाता। कभी भी वो अपने बारे में सोचते नहीं है कि मेरी बॉडी को, मेरे दिमाग को कितनी आराम की जरूरत होगी। यस गाइज, यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट दिस रियली। यस गाइज, यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट दिस कि हमें आराम की भी जरूरत होती है। जैसे हमारा दिमाग जब हम उसको फुल्ली यूटिलाइज करते हैं तो वो बर्स्ट आउट हो जाता है, उसको हमें मेंटल पीस की भी जरूरत होती है। जैसे हमारी बॉडी थक जाती है, हमारे लेग्स में पेन होता है, हमारे हैंड शिवर हो जाते हैं जब हम अननेसेसरली बहुत ज्यादा फिजिकल वर्क करते हैं, तो हमें आराम की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत होती है। So in this video I'm going to tell the society that doing rest is also an important job of your 24 hours. So if you want to do better tomorrow, then you have to do some rest today also. So guys, इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा क्योंकि मैं इसमें बहुत सारे डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ रेस्ट आपको बताने वाली हूँ। So guys, इस वीडियो में मैं लेकर आई हूँ आपके लिए टाइप ऑफ रेस्ट। Yes, do you want to know what are these kind of rest? Just listen. Physical rest, mental rest, emotional rest, spiritual rest, sensory rest, social rest, and creativity rest. So these are the 7 type of rest. In this video, I'm going to talk about these rest. So first one is your physical rest. So I'm going to tell you some signs. So lack of energy, regular sickness, pain, soreness. These are some kind of signs which tell that you need a physical rest. So guys, how to get this physical rest? For getting this physical rest, you have to take at least 7-hour rest, and then you have to take a deep breath. You have to do a yoga. You have to do yoga for improving the energy of your body. Second is mental rest. So limited mental energy, fog or haziness, snap or get annoyed easily. So these are the sign of mental rest. So you need mental rest in this area. So how to get the mental rest? Block time for deep work without any distraction. Listen to music that suits you and do meditation. By doing this, you can get a mental rest. Emotional rest. So if you are facing emotional rest, feel excessive anxiety or worrying, you feel insecurity and self-doubt, and feel overwhelmed by the drama of others. If you are feeling these, so these are the kinds of signs which shows that you need emotional rest. So if you want emotional rest, you can do comparison of other people. Guys, do not compare yourself all the time with others. Remove energy drain like toxic and high maintenance people. So if you do this, you can get mental rest. So friends, next third rest is social rest. Feeling of loneliness, detachment from your friends and family members, find it draining to spending time with others. So if you are feeling these are the signs which says that you need a social rest. So how to get it? Spend time with someone who recharges you. Some space from the people who drain you. Join a club or a group of some minded people really help you. So guys, fourth one is your spiritual rest. Spiritual rest. So I'm going to tell you some sign of spiritual rest. The first one is you can't self-motivate it. There is a lack of self-motivation in yourself. You feel hopeless, trapped, or or insignificant. You feel less satisfied with the life. So these are the signs which says you need spiritual rest in life. So how to get it? Practice daily gratitude. Volunteer or work on purpose-driven tasks and attend some religious services. Then you will get a mental peace, a spiritual peace. And the next rest is sensory rest. Yes, in sensory rest, your eyes feel heavy or strained. Loud sound hampers you a lot. Can't taste and can't smell as well before. So these are the signs that you need sensory rest. How to get it? So friends, take time away from all screen. Stop using all the time your desktop screen and your mobile screen. Give rest to your eyes. Change what bothering you. Lower the music and dim the light. And softly close your eyes for some minutes. 1 or 2 it will be. You feel better. So the 7th one and the last one is creative rest. Yes guys, you need some creative rest too. Do you want to know what are the signs of creative rest? You have no free time in your day. All the time of a day you are busy, struggling to brainstorming. So how to get it? Take a rest of at least 15 minutes while you are doing work. And if you are doing continuously work from years and years, guys, you really need a vacation. Yes, you have to do rest by going on a vacation. So for gaining more creative rest, you can dance, you can sing, you can chill out with your friends for some time. Apart from your daily work routine, you have to take out time for yourself. So guys, by following these tips, you can get your body and your mind really get rest. And after getting this rest, you will come back with a full energy and self-motivation in yourself than before. And you perform better than before. So regularly give rest to your mind, to your body and to your soul, so that you will feel energized by yourself. Sometimes the more productive work you can do, that is rest. Relaxation is a key to success. The time to relax is the time when you have no time to relax. Have a good day guys. If you like this video, kindly press the like button